A Songdance retreat is all about singing and dancing, but not necessarily the singing and dancing you know from radio, television and social media. You know, singing and dancing has become a product of entertainment, of consumerism of some sort. We engage with authentic singing and authentic dancing. It's basically nothing more than making the movements your body wants to make in any given moment, allowing the sounds to come forth from your mouth, what your feelings are about. If you feel sad, if you feel anxious, if you feel depressed, or if you feel joyful, connected, then this is what will be in your voice.
It was amazing to see the growth, how we each found our voice within introverts, extroverts, people who love to dance, which necessarily stepped back and looked at the other people. There were so many elements that came alive during this weekend just because of song and dance.
So in a way, our retreats are not at all about singing and dancing. Singing and dancing is but a means, a gateway towards this reconnection, towards this authentic being, towards this awareness, reconnection to self.
When I arrived, I was really so nervous and had kind of my boundaries up and I didn't know what to expect. But I did say I was coming with an intention of finding my voice. And Upala and Yavin facilitated this experience so exquisitely. They held us in such a safe space that we were able to discover whatever elements of ourselves we were meant to discover. And one of those for me was being able to learn that I can speak and sing from my heart and that I'm accepted for that. I just feel like I've kind of been cracked open and the world is a larger, more beautiful place as a result of this weekend, and I'm just so grateful.
Many people who come to our retreats, they're nervous in the beginning. They're often a little bit asocial. They say, I'm not good in a group. But when they can just allow their voice, allow their movements to come forth very naturally in an authentic way, they're just honest. They don't have to fake it. They don't have to be someone else, make themselves strong. They can just be utterly who they are. And they often recognize themselves on a deeper level, and therefore there is a harmony that unfolds in the group.
Something that I've really been struggling with was allowing myself to open my throat. And that was sort of my motivation to come here. And I cannot even express how much my throat is actually open, like even with the singing or like even speaking now flows so much easier. I feel like I've truly found an authentic part of myself that through my voice that I didn't even know existed.
When everyone has their authentic voice without trying to do any other voice than their authentic voice, there's a harmony that comes. And this is the proof that when people are truly authentic, there can be a harmonic society. And that's a beautiful thing.
Hearing the testimony of people who are also going through struggles and also are battling through situations, because we all are there and we all have a journey to make. And so for me, this has just been getting me on that road once again and moving forward, and just with a renewed vigor and just a sense of joy and peace.
People deeply reconnect with their spiritual selves, the self with a capital S. And it's hard to put words on those experiences, but you know, we have oftentimes people that say, I've been meditating for a while, I've been on a spiritual journey for a while. But with singing, because sound is the very fabric of this universe, it becomes so easy and effortless to just still the mind. And literally, as a group, after some oming, after some toning, or even after singing a powerful mantra, we just drop into that silence, into that stillness.
You know, I am a professional in this field. I'm a clinical psychologist. They are so good at holding the space, the process, and the way Yavin jumps in and captures the moment is just awesome.
Upala and I are looking very much forward to welcoming you at one of our retreats. We have retreats in Europe and South Africa at this moment, so we look forward to seeing you there.